the last couple of things that I want to talk about with you today in our first lesson is, well, first, how to hold the instrument when you're not playing it. We talked about a good playing position a second ago. When you're not playing the instrument, you want to lay it on your lap, or if you need to leave, lay it on a chair, but make sure that the keys are facing up. The reason for that is twofold. You don't want to damage the keys themselves, and moisture collects inside your instrument. You'll find that out soon enough. That condensation forms in there, and that water, you don't want it entering into the holes that are underneath these keys. So when you lay it down, make sure that it's always laying in that position, or on an instrument stand if you have an instrument stand. Okay, so now that we're done for the day, let's talk about taking the instrument apart and putting it away. I'll grab my case here. Now, if you've done your job of lubricating those tenon corks, this should be pretty easy. But again, we want to make sure that we're not squeezing too hard on the instrument to bend these rods. And we just want to do a little twisting motion back and forth as we ease the joints apart from each other. And I started at the bottom of the instrument putting it together. So I started at the top to take it apart. You want to make sure that your oboe is fitting well in the case as you put it away. The case is made to hold the oboe in just such a way, and if you find that your oboe is tilting in one direction or the other inside the case, it could bend some of this key work when you close the lid of your case. So make sure that it's seated nicely into those little pockets. Okay, my oboe is in the case, and I am done with my first oboe lesson, and so are you. Congratulations, you did a great job. We'll see you next time.